This is Eric Mother with Mother.com, March 15th, 2019. This is how the US markets are trading. Let's take a look at the TSX, the Canadian market. And we're going to be taking a look at the smaller time frame. We'll begin with the daily here. Now, one thing I noticed here on the daily is there was this move to the higher highs for 2019. We can see a slight dip in the RSI. So that is definitely negative divergence on the daily. Also, something else we can see here is during this intraday high a couple of days ago, right there, we can see the RSI was rejected at the 69.1 level. So we have negative divergence and we have RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. If we take a look at the 2 hourly, now we can see this negative divergence more clearly. In fact, if we go and take a look at the high here on an hourly closing basis and this high here, we can see that this corresponds with number one being negative divergence, of course, but number two also approximately RSI 61.8 uniform activity rejection, and this is the worst type of negative divergence in my opinion. Something else also here on the hourly is if we draw a line connecting RSI highs at the moment on the 2 hourly, by the way, this is a 2 hourly chart, should have mentioned that, is we see that this is a line on the RSI top side that is suggesting resistance here. So another layer or something else to consider here, suggesting a pullback is imminent. If we take a look at the 5-minute time frame, we can see here we had uniform activity above 69.1 and back below it. In other words, RSI 69.1 rejection for the highs there. We can see again here this morning we went above RSI 69.1. We were rejected with uniform activity, which suggests that this is also an area to speculate that this is a short-term high. So in other words, if you are trading this, you'd be using the current charts to position yourselves for a pullback or for a swing trade lower. So in time, we will see how this is gonna play out. Eric Mother with Mother.com with some short-term analysis. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ECS.